Guys, I found a whisk. So I'm just gonna whisk this up. I know it looks a little neon yellow. I got a little too heavy-handed with the turmeric. Okay, I'm liking it. So we'll pour the radioactive mixture into a mason jar. I'll let this set in the freezer and we'll come back and check it out. I'm sacrificing a King's Hawaiian roll for this, so it better be worth it. I went to go check on it and it started to separate, so I'm thinking I need to shake this and like emulsify it first. Back in the freezer. So here it is all set up. It kind of tipped over in the fridge, so that's why it looks not the best, but let's take a look at the texture. Okay, all right. When life gives you burnt toast, keep going. So other than the color, I think it looks pretty good. Let's check the melting effect here. Honestly, the color's not too far off. Okay, it's melting like butter. Let's give it a taste. So I don't know if it's the King's Hawaiian roll that's making it taste so good, but it's really good. Okay, it's another win for the vegans. I'll give this one to you.